Yeah, so here guys, I've got this 2003 Nissan Micra. I'm going to show you how to change the rear tail stop light and fog lights also. First of all, you've got to undo these two 10mm bolts, and then prise the light out. So let's get to it. Just put this down over here. So that's one bolt. That's the second bolt. Right, now you're going to have to prise the light out because there's a clip behind here. They won't come out. Yep. There you go. Right. So that's basically what's holding it there, that clip. Some clever person decided to put a clip in there. Just press that tab here. And the light should come out like that. Right, that's the stop light. It's a double filament, 12 volts. 21 5 watts. I have a Lucas replacement here. Everything doesn't want to come out the box. Okay. Yeah. And the stop light at the fog light at the top. Also got a Lucas present for that. While I'm here, I might as well check the connection. Sure that's okay. There you go. 2 replacements, one stop light and one fog light. Just put this all back together now. Job done. Well, 2 10mm bolts back. Don't tighten them too tight because it will just break. And you need a new tail light there. That's the other one. Done. Right, I've just gonna there's the tail light working alright. And the fog light also. Just took me a few minutes to figure out how to work that. That's how to replace the stop tail light and the fog light on a Nissan Micra.